All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're going to be doing a little light readings, picking up from where we started yesterday. So let's dive right in. Now, note we want to check if it's more or less than $5 because that is the minimum price that we set for someone to send us. Talking about the amount funded to our contract from a user. So now we want to convert the 0.01 of ETH that was sent to us to see if it is enough to get our coffee. So we'll get the price, which we'll be doing something like this. You have the price, which is an integer of 256, which you're going to get from a static call we place on the self.price feed.latest answer function. Now remember that our ETH amount is going to be 8 decimals when we get the price returned in USD. So first we're going to need to update the price, which is an integer that we get from a static call function that we're going to be using. It's going to have 8 decimals. We're going to convert that from 8 decimals to 18. So to do this, all we need to do is say ETH.price, which is of type UNT256 equals price times 10 raised to the 10th, which will look something like this. So you can see the ETH price, which is an unsigned integer, equals price times 10 raised to the 10th. And this is what our entire smart contract should look like so far. Let's scroll down. You can see the interface there already. You can see our state and stores. You can see our constructor method. You can see our payable. You can see the withdrawal. You can see the internal function there. And remember, the internal can only get called from inside the contract. So no one from the outside can actually access this. You can access this internal function with this external function here. And this is actually going to return our static call for the price feed.latest answer. You can see that's how we got it right there. So the next thing we are going to do is look at converting types in Vyper. That's what we're going to need to do to actually get the contract moving forward because we have two conflicted things here. You can see our price is an integer of 256 and the ETH price is an unsigned integer. So if we try to run our contract right now, it's going to throw an error because we have conflicting types. So the next time we come back to our episode, we're going to be in a Vyper remix IDE so we can show you how we can convert these types so they can be one uniform thing and we can deploy our contract so we can get our price back. But of course, I will show you how we do that and I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.